Good morning, students. So today I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 14, factorization. Okay, so it is a chapter of algebra. Okay, so what is the meaning of factorization? All of you see here the definition. Factorization is defined as the breaking of a number or algebraic terms, okay, into a product of another numbers or variables which when multiplied together give the original number or term. So what is the meaning of this definition, students? All of you see here, I will explain with some examples here. See the example here. First I would like to take one number here, that is 12. Okay, see students, what are the factors of this 12? Find all those. So this number is divisible by 2. Okay, 2 6 2 3 and 3 1 So here this 2 2 3, all these are the factors of this 12. Okay, so this one I am going to write as a 2 into 2 into 3. So here this 2 2 3, so all these are the factors of this 12. See, when I multiply all these, see here, when I multiply all these, we get this original number. See here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So it means factorization means here we have to break a number. Here we have to break a number or algebraic terms into product of another numbers. Here this 2 2 2 3, all these are the another numbers. Understood? So here this 12 I break as a 2 into 2 into 3. I mean here this 12 I break as a another number. Okay, and next what happens, students, which when multiplied together give the original number or terms. See here, when I multiply all these, when I multiply all these factors, they give the original number. So this is the first example. So now let me take another, students, here, that is 6x cube. 6x cube. So what are the factors of this 6x cube? Here this 6, it is a numerical coefficient. Okay, and first here we have to find the new factors of this 6. What are those? All of you see here, 2 3s and 3 1s. Okay, students, so first you write here 2 into 3, and next here we have to find the factors of this variable, that is x cube. So how it is? All of you see here, x squares are, okay, and next x 1s and again x 1s. It means, so here it is x into x into x. Understood, students? Here x is how much times? It is a 3 times. Okay, so here this 2 3 x, so all these are the factors of this term, this algebraic term. So this 12 is a number, and this 6x cube, it is a algebraic term. So when I multiply all these, so here I break this algebraic term as a 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into x into x into x. Okay, students, so here I break this algebraic term as a 2 into 3 into x into x, and after that when I multiply all these factors I get this same number. See here, 2 3s are 6. Okay, 6 after here all the bases are same, and here we have to add the powers only. The power is 1 1 1. It means x raised to 3 comes. So this is regarding the definition of factorization, students, and this process we call as a factorization. Okay, so let me repeat one more time. Factorization is defined as the breaking of a number or algebraic terms. Here it is the number and here it is the algebraic term into a product of another numbers. So all these are the another numbers or variables. So all these are the variables which when multiplied together give the original number of terms. So when I multiply all these, they give the original number. Understood, students? So now let's move on to the exercise 14.1. See the exercise 14.1, students. So first question, see all of you here, find the common factors of the given terms. Here we have to find the common factors of these given terms. Okay, see the first one here, that is 12x. 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 Let me write as a solution, students, here. Solution. Write those terms downside here. 12x. So here first we have to find the factors of this 12, that is 2 3s, 2 6, 2 3s, and 3 1s. It means 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3, and this variable write as it is because it is a single. Okay, students, 2 into 2 into 3 into x. Okay, students, and next here 36. Okay, 36, and here we have to find the factors of this 36. Okay, 2 18s, 2 9s, 3 3s, and 3 1s. It means it is 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Okay, students, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Next, see students, here common factors. Common factors is equal to, see here, so these are the factors of this 12x and these are the factors of this 36. So among all these students, which factors are common here? 2 2 is on common, so this 2 2 is the common right here. And next here again 1 2 is common, write it again. And here one more 3 is common here, write that one also. And here among this x1 and 3, both these are not a common here. Common means the factor should be in both the numbers, both the terms here. Common factor means the factor it should be in the same factor, it should be in the given given term, students. Understood all of you? And here so all these are the common factors of this 12x and 36. So after, students, here we have to multiply all these, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So this 12, it is a common factor of this 12x and 36. Okay, students. So now let me solve the next one. See the third problem, students, all of you here. Here we have to find the common factors of 14pq and 28p square q square. See here, first here we have to find the factors of this 14pq. Okay, 14. First you find the common factors of this 14. That is 2 7s and 7 1s. That is 2 into 7. 2 into 7. And this PQ, both these are a single, and write them as a putting into sign, that is P into Q. Next, write that second term here, that is 28P square Q square. Here we have to find the factors of this 28, 2 14s, 2 7s, and 7 1s. That is 2 into 7, and here P, how many times it is? 2 times, that is P into P, and Q is how many times it is? 2 times, that is Q into Q. So all these are factors of this term, and so all these are the factors of this term. Now here we have to find the common factors. Common factor is equal to, see students, here 2 is this 2 also exists in this 14pq, and this that 2 also exists in 28p square q square. It means here we have to add this one. Next, put the into sign. Next, 7 is here and 7 is here. Write that one also. Next, P is here, P is here. Write that one also. Next, Q is here and Q is here. Write that one also. Okay, that much only, students. Okay. So remaining variables or terms, you don't worry about it. Okay, so here we have tried only the common factors of the given terms. Common factors means the number or the variable should be in given terms. Okay, students. Now after that we have to multiply all these. 2 7s are 14, 14pq. 14pq, it is the common factor of this given terms. Okay, students. So now let me solve the next one. See the sixth problem, students, all of you here. 16x cube, okay. Next minus 4x square, and next 32x. First here we have to find the common factors of this. So 16, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and x is how many times? It is 3 times. Okay. Next minus 4 means it is a see students here, the factors of this minus 4x squares are one is minus 2 and another one 2, and next x is how many times? It is 2 times, that is x into x. Okay, when I multiply all these we get this original number, that is minus into plus minus, 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square. Similarly 32, see here, what are the factors of this 32? 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. Okay, so it means 2 is how many times? It is 5 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x. Understood, friends, all of you here? Now here we have to find the common factors here. Common factors is equal to, so here 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, write this 2 here, and next one more 2, one more 2, one more 2 here. Okay, one more 2. And one more important thing is that, students, in the first and third question here we have only 2 terms, but in the sixth problem we have 3 terms. So the common factors means a number or a variable, it should be in all the given terms, students. Okay, understood? To exist in all these terms, and here the one more 2 is exist in all the terms. Next check, students. So here 2 is here, but in this 2 is not exist. Okay, let it. So next we have to see the x here. Here 1x, here 1x. Okay, and here we have one more x. Understood? And write here as a x. And see, students, here x here we have, but here we don't have. It means the x exists only in the 2 terms, but not in the third terms. It means it is not a common factor. Common factors means it should be in all the given terms. Understood? Not in the not means if the given 3 terms, the common factor should be in all the 3 terms. Okay, not in 2 terms. Understood? So here so this here from this problem finished. Now we have to multiply all these. 2 2s are 4, 4 into x. 4x is the common factors of this all the given terms. Okay, students, now let me solve the last problem of this first question. See this 8th problem, students, all of you here, that is 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, and 6x square y square z. Okay, the first one, that is 3x square y cube is equal to, here 3, it is only a single number, right, as it is, and x is how many times? It is 2 times, x into x, and y is how many times? It is 3 times, y into y into y. Next 10x cube y square, here we have to find the common factors of this. 10, 2 5s are, 5 1s are. Understood? It means 2 into 5 into x is 3 times, okay, and y is 2 times. Understood? Now write the next one, 6x square y square z. 2 into 3, the common the factors of this 6 is 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6. Next, x is how many times? It is 2 times, x into x. Y is how many times? It is 2 times, and z it is only 1 time. So the next common factors is equal to, see students, here 3, it not exist in the all the terms. It exists here and here one, okay, but not exist in the this 10x y square. Let it. Next 2 2 also not exist. Okay, 2 not exist in all the given 3 terms. Okay, let it. 5 also not exist. Okay, so now we have to check the variables. One x is here, here one is x, and here one is x. Next, here is x, here is x, here is x. It means x into x. Next, y is here, y is here, y is here. Okay, write y. And next, one more y is here, one more y is here, and one more y is here. Okay, write one more y. It means after that there is no common factors come, students, this much only. So it means x into x, x square, and y into y, it is a y square. It means x square, y square, it is a common factors in all the given terms, students. Understood? So these are the solution for the problems of first question of exercise 14.1. I hope all of you understood all